Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking pork nilaga. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, plantain or saging na saba, potato, we have jalapeño, we have these pork ribs. We're gonna use pork ribs. We boiled that already, so it is already soft. We have cabbage, we have bochoy, and at the same time we have pechay. We have patis or fish sauce, and our beef broth mix, and we have whole black pepper and ground pepper and salt. So let's get started. Okay, our pot is hot now. We're gonna put we're gonna pour in our broth. Okay, pour in our broth. All right. Okay. All right. There you go. That's the broth we used in boiling the pork. So we're gonna put onions. Okay, and then we're gonna put our pork. Okay, and put a little bit more of pepper whole corn. Okay, around 2 teaspoon or tablespoon of fish sauce, and we're gonna let this boil for the next 5 minutes. Now let's check our nilaga. It's boiling now. So this is the time to put our potato. Okay. And jalapeno. Then let boil again for the next 3 minutes. We'll cover it. Now we'll add first our beef bouillon. If you have pork cubes, that will work too. But since I don't have pork cubes, I'm using beef bouillon. All right, cover it. Now let's check on our nilaga. Okay, after 3 minutes, it's boiling again. This is the time to put our saging na saba or plantain. Okay, and we're gonna add our cabbage. Okay. Then we're gonna simmer this for the next 2 minutes. Now let's check again our nilaga. Wow, smells real good now. The aroma of the nilaga, you know, with banana, man, smells yummy. Now this is the time to put our vegetables. Again, the bochoy and pechay. This will only take 30 seconds. Okay, that should be it. Let's cover it. This is our finished product, pork nilaga. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.